Yes, we are ready. So here comes the bowler to start the proceedings, Sapnesh. Oh, lovely ball is edge and he has to go back in the pavilion. Very first ball. Once again, a bad start here for Amardeep. And as per the scorer, I got to know the stats here that Vasant has been out all three matches on the very first ball without troubling the scorers. Three ducks in a row, and all three are golden ducks. That's not a great record to have for any batsman. But still, I guess Prahlad Upar and his team will give him confidence. Maybe they can shuffle him across a little bit lower down the line with a shot of confidence. Anyone, any player of how great he is, if he is out of the golden duck for the 2 or 3 times, certainly the confidence will be a little bit less. So here comes Mahesh. He has to come quickly onto the weak wicket as the wicket was lost of the very first ball. So again, very good effort here from the keeper, but I guess that was not an edge. And it was a leg by signaled by umpire Sachin Desai that you can see clearly that it was not an edge. So off the legs, leg by signal. Starts off the proceedings here, Amardeep, with a leg by. Sapnesh has been a very good bowler for Siddeshwar. We've seen the match was almost lost by Siddeshwar, but then in the end, Siddharth comes and strikes a big one at the last moment and draws the score. That means they are at 1 point after the completion of their 2 matches. This is the third match played for both these teams. Oh, that's a cracking switch hit. He is a very good all-rounder. He was adjudged man of the match award in the previous match, and now he's showing his skills with the bat. Switch hit has been one shot which has brought trouble to most of the bowlers around. If you can get the switch hit absolutely right, and if you don't allow the bowler to know when you are going for the switch hit, it should not be early, it should be at the last moment. Then only the bowler will be in trouble. There's some noise maybe of the trousers. That is a signal from the umpire. Big appeal was there from the bowler and also from the keeper, but umpire was not interested at all. He exactly knew where the ball has brushed in. Once again, a left orthodox bowler is ready to bowl from over the wicket. And this is a good shot. Lucky that it didn't go into the hands of the short mid-wicket region fielder. It'll get a single, will be at the non-striker's end. You cannot say this was a bad bowling. This is a pretty decent bowling effort here from Sapnesh. Although 6 was hit, but hardly a bowler can do anything if the batsman at the last moment goes for the switch hit. So it's almost difficult. If you can pick him at the last moment and stop your ball at the last moment, then only you can pick those switch hits. This should be wide down the leg side. Exactly what happens for the switch hit. After the switch hit, bowler thinks that the other batsmen who are also coming might play a switch hit against me. So he strays down the leg side. And Bablu is very expert in playing a switch hit. Bablu Sawant. This time in the air, but safe as well. So after completion of 1 over, a decent enough over here from the bowler. Score is 10 for the loss of 1. So in comes a new bowler, Sarvesh. Oh, this is gone very high and long as well. Covered quite a big distance from the bat of Mahesh. So 6 of the very first ball. That will get the ball rolling here. Score moves on to 16. Mahesh raring to go. Sarvesh bowling around the wicket. Oh, this is even bigger. This is mighty. This is mammoth striking here. The sixes are going even bigger distance. Sarvesh has been taken to cleaners. So, can we see hat-trick of sixes here from Mahesh? He is definitely capable. He can score those big ones. Once again, he's ready to go with that machine gun of his. And he goes big one. Hat-trick of sixes here. Hat-trick of sixes. Sarvesh is turning out to be very expensive. Siddheshwar is not a bad team at all. Just a lack of practice, lack of fitness, lack of tournaments being played nowadays. So a slower ball. He was already waiting to go for that fourth six with a strong bottom hand. And if the change of pace was there, it made a little bit difficult for him. So wonderful thinking here for Sarvesh making a comeback in this match. Bowling has not clicked for Siddheshwar in this tournament at all. This time, this was a much better chance of a run out. Direct hit and it will have been curtains. But Prahlad Upar takes the strike. They take a single off the bice. Once again, the ball which was lost has come into action. So many sixes have been hit from the bat of Mahesh. And those are big ones as well, not a small sixes. Mammoth sixes. So someone has to do the job of getting the ball back in action. This is very nicely played, straight down the ground. Very nicely bowled, in fact. First 3 balls were right in slot, but next 3 balls very nicely bowled and good comeback from the bowler Sarvesh after completion of 2. The score is 30 for the loss of 1. It's over to Satish Shirurkar for further 2 overs.
शॉट फिल्डर जो आशिल्लो ते बॉल आडपाक शकलो ना तोपर्यंत बॉल बाउंड्री रोप क्लियर केल्लो 4 रना खातीर आनी ह्या 4 रना फाटल्यान स्कोराची मोख जी पावली आसा 34. सिद्धार्थ तयार आसा बॉलिंग घालपाक. ताच्या मुखार शॉर्ट बॉल बऱ्यापैकी मारिल्लो आसा कव्हराच्या क्षेत्रांतल्यान ताचे फाटल्यान धांवता फिल्डर पूण म्हाका दिसता आडपाक शकलो ना. बॉल आडपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो पूण थंय आडयल्लो आसा. पळय अंपायर डिसिजन कितें जाता तें म्हाका दिसता. ताणें बऱ्यापैकी बॉल आडयलो आसा. रुपाक ताजो पाय लागला खरो पूण म्हाका दिसता पयलीं ताजो बॉल जो आसा तो ग्रावंडा भितर म्हाका दिसता पडिल्लो आनी ताका लागून आतां धांवून कितले काडले तांणी 3 रन धांवून काडिल्ले आसात. सुंदर अशी फिल्डिंग 1 रन ताणें आपल्या टिमी खातीर वाचयलो खरो. महेश तयार आसा खेळपाक. बऱ्यापैकी 2-3 शॉटी ताणें मारिल्ल्यो फाटल्या ओव्हरीक. सिद्धार्थ तयार आसा बॉलिंग घालपाक. बऱ्यापैकी शॉट परत एकदा एक उच आनी म्हाका दिसता लायनीच्या भायर वचूंक ना अजून मेरेन आनी अशे तरेन एक विकेट जी इम्पॉर्टंट विकेट आसा ती महेशान हांगा मेळिल्ली आसा. आनीक एक सुंदर अशी बॉलिंग एक ताणें केल्या आनी ताका लागून ही विकेट जी आसा ती व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक हे दोगे फॉर्माक आशिल्ले आनी महेशाची विकेट एक अत्यंत म्हत्वाची आशिल्ली ह्या बॉलराक. आनी महेशान आपल्या इंडिविज्युअल स्कोरा भितर स्कोरर आमचो गंधाराच्या प्रमाणे ताणे आपलो निजी स्कोर 20 काडिल्लो आसा तातूंत भितर 3 सके न्ही आता नवो खेळगडी जो गेलो आसा भितर प्रितेश सद्याक नॉन स्ट्रायकराच्या वतीन आसा आणि बा प्रल्हाद उपर तो खेळटा त्या साठी पळया सिद्धार्थ म्हाका दिसता वाईट बॉल सुंदर अशें आयोजन MCC मदेगळ हांच्या वतीन आयचो दुसरो दीस एक सुंदर अशें वातावरण ह्या ग्राउंडार हांगा खेळामेळीचे जावन आसा बऱ्यापैकी शॉट मारिल्ली म्हाका दिसता हांगासर फिल्डर येता पळया तांच्या हातांतले कॅच येता या वता ती हो सुंदर अशी कॅच तोखणाय करपा सारकी ताणें एडजस्टमेंट केला आणि एक बरीशी विकेट ताणें प्राप्त केल्ली आसा अशे तरेन प्रल्हाद जो फॉर्माक आशिल्लो महेश ताजे नंतर तो आउट जालो बऱ्यापैकी ताणें दोगांनी बॅटिंग केल्ली आणि आता म्हाका दिसता अश्विन स्कोर अजून मेरेन स्कोर कितलो लागणार स्कोर जाला 37 तिसरी ओव्हर चालू आसा बाब सिद्धार्थाली आणि नवो खेळगडी जो गेला स्कोर झाला आसा 38 बऱ्यापैकी शॉट म्हाका दिसता आनी एक विकेट हांगासर अशे तरेन 3 विकेटी ताणें घेतिल्ले आसा ह्या ओव्हरीक बऱ्यापैकी तोखणाय करपा सारकी ताणें बॉलिंग केल्ली आसा जशें दिसतालें की एक खूब रन करतले पूण सिद्धार्थान एक सुंदर अशी बॉलिंग घालून एक 3 विकेट्यो जवळपास ह्या ओव्हरीक घेतिल्ले आसा आणि नवो खेळगडी जो होता अक्षय आणि अश्विन सिद्धार्थाचो म्हाका दिसता लास्ट बॉल एक लांब असो खेळगडी बाब अश्विन एक तरणाटो बऱ्यापैकी मारपाचो प्रयत्न केला म्हाका दिसता कवरांतल्यान ताणें पॉइंट्सच्या दिशेन मारिल्लो ताच्या फाटल्यान दोन खेळगडी धांवतात पूण म्हाका दिसता ते आडपाचो प्रयत्न केला थंयसर आडयल्लो आसा आणि तशें करून ताणें फक्त एकच रन काडिल्लो आसा सुंदर अशी फिल्डिंग आणि अशे तरेन एक बऱ्यापैकी ओव्हर काबार जाल्ली आसा 3 विकेटी ह्या ओव्हरीक ताणें घेतिल्ल्यो आणि 3 ओव्हरी फाटल्यान स्कोर जो पावलो आसा 40 फक्त ह्या ओव्हरी 10 काडल्या खऱ्या पूण 3 ताणें एक किमती ज्यो विकेटी आसात त्यो ताणें घेतिल्ल्यो आसात 3 ओव्हरीक आमच्या स्कोरा प्रमाणे 39 नॉट 40 और रवी आखरी ओव्हर म्हणजे एक लास्ट ओव्हर घेऊन येता पळया सुंदर अशें वातावरण या सॅक ग्राउंडार आयचो दुसरो दीस अजूनय 3 दीस उरल्यात या टुर्नामेंटाक रवी तयार आसा बऱ्यापैकी बॉल पूण म्हाका दिसता ऑफ स्टॉपाच्या भायर गेल्ल्यान ताका वाईट घोशीत केल्लो आसा बाबा अब्रार कमीत कमी 50च्या वयर रन आसप म्हळ्यार एक सेफ्टी जावन आसा बॅट्समॅना खातीर कित्याक परत एकदा पूण म्हाका दिसता हो एक सुंदर असो बॉल कित्याक हांगासर वायड ना हांव दिसलो की अश्विनाक हो वायड बॉल दितलो अंपायर पूण म्हाका दिसता बॉल सारको आशिल्लो भितर आनी हो एक डॉट बॉल सोने पे सुहागा आरवी तयार आसा बॉलिंग घालपाक बऱ्यापैकी मारपाचो प्रयत्न पण तितलो टायमिंग जाली ना एक रना खातीर दुसऱ्या रना खातीर धावपाचो प्रयत्न करता बाबा अश्विन तोपर्यंत फील्ड करता तोपर्यंत एकच रनाचेर तांकां रावचे पण हांगासर म्हाका दिसता बॅटाक बॉल लागला पूण डिसिजन म्हाका दिसता धांवतना लागला मुद्दम ताणें लायलो ना अशें दिसता की ताणें 2 रन धांवन पुराय केल्ले आसात ह्या 2 रना फाटल्यान स्कोर 42 जाल्लो आसा 42 फुल टच बॉल उठाकर मार दिया, गेंद चली गई यहां पर 6 रन के लिए। स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 48-48। और इस तरह 48 पर जाकर पहुंचा, एक बड़ा स्कोर माना जा सकता है इस 4 ओवर में। और ये शॉट गॉल, लेकिन और इस बीच भारी के लगती हुई गेंद गई सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में। लेकिन मुझे लगता है वहां पर कुछ आवाज तो जरूर आई थी हमें, लेकिन मुझे लगता है अंपायर ने उसे आउट करार घोषित किया है। उन्हें मालूम नहीं कि अपना बल्ला और गेंद के बीच संपर्क हुआ है, और यहाँ पर कुछ बातचीत अंपायर और अश्विन के बीच। फाइनल जो अंपायर का डिसीजन होता है वो फाइनल डिसीजन माना जाता है इस मैदान पर, और रूल के हिसाब से मानना भी चाहिए, क्योंकि अंतिम फैसला जो जज होते हैं वो दोनों अंपायर इस मैदान पर। फिलहाल नए बल्लेबाज रोहित। Just 2 runs required to coming up 50 of the innings. हार्दिक तैयार, और शॉट गेंद, लेकिन इसका फायदा नहीं उठा पाए और ये आउट। क्या बात है, बढ़िया गेंद। और इसी बीच और ये अंतिम गेंद बची है। अभी तक 50 रन नहीं पूरे हुए हैं इनिंग्स के, 48 रन बन चुके हैं। और देखेंगे अभी बड़ा शॉट आए तो 50 के ऊपर पार कर सकता है। 4 ओवर में एक बड़ा स्कोर माना जा सकता है, क्योंकि 4 ओवर में सो लास्ट डिलीवरी ऑफ द फर्स्ट इनिंग्स। एक बार फिर रवि, और ये आउट होने की संभावना यहाँ पर, लेकिन वहां पर कैच छूट गई। 1 रन, दूसरा रन लेना चाहेंगे तब तक यहाँ पर रन आउट होने की संभावना, और इसी के साथ सिर्फ 1 ही रन मिलेगा और स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 49-49। दे रिक्वायर 50 रन इन 4 ओवर। जीतने के लिए 50 रन चाहिए 24 गेंदों में।
And 4 ओव्हरीन जिखपा गरज आसा 50 रनाची. आणि प्लीज नोट करात. जंक्शन आणि जय हनुमान. म्हळ्यार हांगा 50 रनाची गरज आसा. आत्ता बबलू आत्ता ग्राउंडा भितर आमी पळयलो की बटाट येतालो. बटाट आत्ता येयल्लो पूण आतां तुमी बटाट म्हणनाता. आतां तो जाला इलेक्ट्रिकल बटाट. भुरग्यां मातशी रिक्वेस्ट. थोडे लोक बटाटांतल्यान भांगर काडटात पूण म्हाका दिसता आमचो बटाट बटाटांतल्यान इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काडटा. It's again a very good start here. Asking for wide, it is definitely not a wide. He had shuffled two across, and that bowler was absolutely right. Once you shuffle two across, it is not the small white line, it is the big white line that comes into effect. So very good umpiring here from Sachin Desai. It's not about pressure what the batsman puts on the umpires. Umpire has to be absolutely bang on with adjudicating right in the middle what is going to be the right thing for the law of the game. So single run taken of the second ball. I think all the batsmen or all the players need to read MCC law book properly. Kailash, and here comes Siddharth. This is in the air. He has not timed it well. This is going to be a catch. Catch taken, and Siddharth has to go back. So Akshay strikes back in his first over, getting rid of Siddharth. Oh, that was a slower ball. It is in the air. Ashwin is tall, and Ashwin takes a very good catch. This should have been hit for a 6-run. Akshay is very lucky that he gets a wicket of this ball. Full toss ball. He could have hit it anywhere. He didn't get enough power, and the tall man Ashwin was standing and taking that magnificent catch. Wide signal here by umpire. That wide score moves on to 2 runs. Chasing 50 runs, they are hardly on 2 with almost 5 balls being bowled. Last ball of the first over being brought here by Akshay, who's already picked up 2 wickets. Once again, right in the block hole. Beautiful piece of bowling here from Akshay. So he bowls a very good first over for Amardeep after completion of 1. The score is 2 for the loss of 2. New bowler Ashwin. This is in the air. This is going to be catch for the keeper, and keeper drops it in the third attempt. They are going for the second run, and a second run also quite comfortably completed. This catch should have been taken. Catch dropped, and if at all the batsman goes on to score big ones, the keeper will call himself. What mistake I have done? Siddharth is at strikers and Ravi is at non-strikers, and Ravi is a very good batsman as well. Need to see how good a form this time he misses it. They are absolutely not in touch. These Siddheshwar guys. Third wicket going down without much trouble to the scoreboard. Still 4 for the loss of 3. This is in the air and taken once again. That's the 4th wicket going down, and Ravi also goes back in the pavilion. Beg your pardon, Ram goes back in the pavilion. If Siddheshwar doesn't win this match, their chances are very, very less. It's going to be a hat-trick, I guess, and Ashwin takes a hat-trick. This is the first hat-trick of this tournament. And Ravi also goes back in the pavilion. This is India and 6 runs. Finally a 6 here. And Ashwin takes a hat-trick, and very beautiful handwriting written here by Ame. And finally the second over comes to an end. And 1 over 8 runs and 3 wickets is on the board here as a bowler for Ashwin. There's a fantastic bowling here. So he's also in contention if Amardeep goes on to win this match. Batting, there was a good performance from Mahesh and Prahlad. Bowler is Pritesh. This is in the air, and this is the 6th wicket. And very good and interesting part here is Ame knows the name of all these players because he has been a regular visitor in that area. So that's the reason why the scorer knows each and every name of these players. Once again, a left-hander. Sapnesh has come on to the wicket. It's all over here. There is hardly anything to tell about this in the commentary box. 1-0-0, 2-0-0 is what the batsman score. Even the mobile number is much better than this. And he's going for the switch hit. 6 wickets down. Even the third over is in progress. It has not completed. So everyone has a chance of taking wickets. So sorry here, as a commentator, I feel for Siddeshwar. This has not been the tournament that they'll be hoping for to get them back in form. Everyone seemed to be out of touch. Even the bowlers didn't seem to be bowling in the right areas. Much slower bowling in the slot. Nothing worked for them as far as this tournament is concerned. Finally, something has struck. Has he struck it enough? Wonderful fielding here from Ashwin. This is the height of Ashwin which is doing the trick here. He has already taken a blinder, and this time he saves 5 runs. Siddeshwar will be hoping that it could have been 6, but we are watching it closely here, and it was straight in front of the eye. So the height is doing the trick. This is once again very nicely bowled. Definitely that will get few more points for Ashwin to be in contention for the man of the match award. 1 more point added. Once again, this is just a formality is being completed here. They're just swinging the bat, swinging hard. Mere wild swing, wild guesses. Somebody takes wild guesses, just like wild swing now with the bat. Straight down the ground. Should be only a single. Looks elegant, but it is not going to hurt Amardeep. It's all one-way traffic here at this stage after completion of 3rd over. The score is 13 for the loss of 6. Next match जातली जंक्शन आणि जर्मन. जंक्शन आणि जर्मन टीम माच्या टॉसायो बेगीन. Captain. Finally we saw a 6. This was way too short. Prahlad has come on to bowl and gives a 6. Way too short bowling. Poor piece of bowling here. And the batsman gets a 6. Sapnesh. Finally something to cheer here for Sapnesh. He's going for one more big hit. Doesn't time it well. Fielded well by the fielder at the point region, but cannot stop the single. So one more single to the addition of the score takes the score to 20. Sainesh is the fielder. Once again, very nicely struck down the ground from the batsman. Krishna will get only a single. Yes, the captains have come. Sanjeet and Yogesh. Heads is the calls. Janman has won the toss. Decided to bat first. Surprisingly decided to bat first. Janman maybe thought that he will do something different against Junction. Try to put something under the belt and maybe put pressure on the batting side. Once again very nicely struck, but he has not got the power to go over for 6 runs. Akshay takes an easy catch. One more wicket going down, so wickets have tumbled. Everyone has taken wickets. 7th wicket going down here for Siddeshwar. Only ball remaining. Asu, batsman Asu. Time waste करने. Batsman Raut hai. So Prahlad will be bowling the last ball. So once again should be only a single. Ashwin has stopped everything coming towards him. And that's it. It's all over. Finally we have to decide.